Okay, okay. Uh, First principle is you should wash or sanitize your hands properly. Okay, I'm assuming that your mask is clean and hygienic. Okay, so take the mask and uh, there there are different type of masks. So whatever its type may be, you know, it should cover your face, mouth, especially mouth or nose. Okay, and if it has a pin, so it should be tight over your nose, so that if you are breathing through the mask, not from around it. Okay, that is the and when you come from outside, there is also a ritual that you should sanitize or wash your hands and then take your mask without touching its front surface, and there should be a designated area in your house where you should hang or keep your mask. Okay, and if it is washable, of cotton cloth or something, then you should put it to wash. If it is N95 or something like that, then you should be hanged and then reused in the same manner. Any queries about it? Uh,
Doctor,
should I
N95 and 95
demonstrate?
masks are important for COVID-19.
No, only for healthcare professionals or people who are high risk, who are working with patients. Especially it is for those. But people are over cautious, and everyone goes for highest available things, N95 and 99. So a simple mask, cloth, even cloth is good for most people.
Okay, doctor. Doctor, when they will go, when the schools will resume, how the how the kids will change their
Yes,
attitude? They have the attitude of touching each other. They have the attitude of holding their hands, and they walk hand in hand. So how much they have to take care of these things?
yeah, actually, first school is home, and after that, the regular schools come into place. So, whenever schools open, you will have to teach them good hygienes, and you have to model them. You have to be their role models. Okay, like if you are sneezing or coughing, if you have a tissue or cloth, you should use that, or use your elbow like this to cover your sneezes. Okay, and uh, in the similar manner, social distancing and other norms should be observed as far as possible. And after that, it will depend school administration and caregivers as well. Uh, uh, they should try to maintain social distancing and other norms there. Maybe they should work with 30% students at a time in shifts, odd even or something like that. Okay, but things should start from the home itself. You should you know uh, time and again you should tell your child that you have to observe these things: good hand hygiene, good sneezing or coughing habits, and frequent hand washing and other things, so that he observes those things when he goes to the school.
Yes, doctor, understood. Doctor, according to you, any other thing that is to be communicated to the students for future?
Yeah, a few things I would like to communicate to children. uh, First and foremost, if you have any query, anything, don't hesitate to ask. Okay, if you have any problem, any type of symptoms of anything when you go to school or you are playing with your friends, don't hesitate, tell your parents immediately. Okay, and don't be afraid. If you're feeling sad, angry, bored, or anything, you should talk to your parents. you know Tell them what you're feeling. It is normal, it is an abnormal time, so these things are usual, and you are not alone in that. Okay. Uh, and apart from that, keep practicing these things, social distancing, hand hygienes. These are our weapons to fight COVID. And not only COVID. Okay, if COVID is now, it is prevalent. When a vaccine comes, it may be like any other disease in the future. But Good hand hygiene and other practices like sneezing good or coughing, practice. It would help you with many other diseases which is spread through droplets or airborne or respiratory tract infections. Okay, so these things you should inculcate as a habit.
Okay. Hello, Dr. Savitendra Patel.
Yeah.
I have one question regarding to vegetables. When I go and buy fresh vegetables, I'm
Okay.
washing them nicely, but still, sweet corns and all, we cannot wash and use. So, any suggestions?
Okay.
How
So,
should we use and how should we keep them in the fridge?
okay. Look, if you are going to cook something and then eat, then there is no problem. But if you are eating something raw without cooking, then it should be preferably washed. Okay, as far as you can do. Sweet corn, I think you cook and then eat only.
Okay.
Am I right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet corn.
So,
Yeah.
if you are eating raw vegetables like salads and everything, we don't need to, means it's okay, like we have to wash it, and like sweet corns and everything, it's okay, means if you are roasting directly.
Yeah, roasting, cooking, virus is destroyed quickly. No problem with that. And one more thing, eating something, it's not a major source, but yeah, you should take precautions.
Yeah,
So
that we are already
salads,
taking.
yeah, salads and fruits and other vegetables which you are eating raw, they should be washed in a soap solution or something like that. There are many things available nowadays in the market. You should wash using those.
Yeah.
Yeah. Until
Okay,
the
yeah,
vaccine
thank you.
develops or a drug comes, you have to take these precautions. And some precautions, actually these are not precautions like hand washing, and proper hygiene about cough, sneeze, and other things. These should be observed lifelong. They are good for preventing you from many diseases like tuberculosis, upper respiratory tract infections, and many other things. So these should be inculcated. You see many countries like Japan and other, they observe these things. They teach their children that you should do these things in public places, in schools, and even at home, everywhere. So this should be normal habit. I think mask and the paranoia which has been created, social distancing, other things, they may out when vaccine or drug comes. Hygiene
Yeah.
practices should be observed. Yeah.
Okay, so
You
this
are
all will
you've
be
seen
our
that.
new normal.
Yeah. These all will be our new normal, and you have seen many good things after COVID has come. That many people are not falling sick due to many infectious diseases due to good hand hygiene and other practices. Okay.
Yes,
Anything else? Anyone have any queries? Yeah,
yes, doctor.
please.
It was really a very fruitful session with you. I think many of the doubts and the basic queries are solved, and we hope for the better future. And these things should get normal, back to normal, original normal. We don't want new normals with us. We want to go back to the old golden old days where we were living
Yeah,
happily, yeah, without any.
yeah, 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 yeah. We hope for good. Okay, and old times, especially the good things of old times, will return. I'm quite hopeful about that.
Doctor, according to you,
Okay,
we
and
have
in
to
future, if
for
yeah,
next 2 to 3 years, the overall lifestyle will change as a whole. The overall lifestyle of the people will change as a whole, because as per the new
yeah,
precautions, the new normals, we are changing our lifestyle a lot.
yeah. So, but many of those things are good for us, even in normal times. Okay, and many things will slowly fade away, like restrictions, travel restrictions, air travel restrictions, and many other things, social distancing. These norms will slowly go away when things get normal.
Yes, doctor, would you like to share anything else with the kids which is important to be shared right now?
Okay, nothing else. Only one thing, that don't be afraid, enjoy life, and if anything bothers or concerns you, please talk to your parents and your loved ones. That is the most important thing nowadays. Okay,
So more than the
that's it.
actually, doctor, more than the physical fitness, we are now have to concentrate on their mental fitness as well, because they are
Yeah,
actually in a different
yeah,
mental state right now.
yeah. And you should develop some rituals, some exercise schedules, and some sports which you can do indoors. And this goes for adults as well, children and adults. Adults are role models for parents are role models.
Yes,
Mothers
doctor.
are usually first teachers for children. So they should demonstrate those things, and children will inculcate those habits.
Yes, doctor. Yes, doctor. We are very thankful to you for sparing your valuable time with us all and sharing your knowledge with us. Thank you, doctor. We thank you again for this fruitful session, and we hope to meet you
Okay,
again.
it was my pleasure.
Yes, yes, doctor.
Okay, it was my pleasure. And in future, if you have any queries or anything else, you can arrange a meeting. I will,
Sure, sure, doctor. Sure,
and
doctor. Sure,
thank
doctor. We will. Thank you, doctor.
you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Okay, kids. Now, kids, yes, kids, we can have an informal meeting. No need to be a formal sitting posture. And rest of all of you are basically, yes, all are with off videos or are lying down. Okay, kids, everything is done. The Vashisht, आपने सुना अपना mathematically mathematizes mathematician. Vashisht, आपने सुना अपना video? Yes, Vashisht, I'm asking to you. Vashi? Yes, hi, Sejal.
Hello. It was wonderful.
Yeah, it was a wonderful session with your interactions, dear. With the interactive session, you made it. You all made it. The presence of
Thank
all.
you. Pleasure.
Yes, Sejal.
Yeah, because of you.
Yeah, Sejal. There are, I think, yes, Sakshi is there. Sakshi and Suryansh Kushagra. They were not the members of Activity Club, but they have joined today's lecture. So I would like to share my two members' detail. Right now, I have Haimi Kapadia with me. Yes, I am lucky to have her mother with me, and she's also attending Sejal. So I would like to tell you a few observations that I have made about Haimi. She is the best reader in the group. Her WPM count was as less than as 80 words per minute also. She had even tried for less than 80 words in 1 minute. So it was a great achievement. The clarity of words with the fast accent she had carried out. She'll be doing something good in the future, and I can see you, Haimi. Yeah. And among all, Vashisht, as we all know, was our best orator. So he was our best orator, and every time whenever we have some speech session, be it the PM, Prime Minister, if you will be the Prime Minister for a day, or AdMed rounds, he always stolen the limelight, always. So I would like to give him gold medal for being the best orator of the club. So yes,
Thank you. Good job.
Thank you, Sejal. Thank you so much. You have attended the meeting with so much enthusiasm. Kushagra and Suryansh, beta, you can unmute yourself. Suryansh and Kushagra, you can talk to me. You can talk to Auntie. Yes, you can see the gold medals. It is still with us due to this corona. Tightly packed, safe. Yeah. Suryansh and Kushagra, आपको आंटी से बात करनी है तो you can unmute yourself. Kushagra beta, you want to interact something? You can. They are my best reader and orators. You can talk to them also. Sakshi, if you have any query regarding the session, you can ask me. Oh, yes, Suryansh. Yes, Suryansh, tell me. हाँ बोलो Suryansh, बोलिए. I think you have some network issue, beta.
Okay.
हाँ बेटा बोलो सूर्यांश बोलो। आपको भैया दीदी से कुछ भी स्पीच सुननी है या फिर कुछ भी रीड करवाना है तो यू कैन डू इट बिकॉज दे आर आवर बेस्ट 2 members which are right now with us. Suryansh, you can actually learn from them.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Sejal, thank you. Haimi, Vashish, Sakshi, Kushagra. Okay, I would like to sign off, and it was a great meeting with you all. Thank you for being the part of this meeting, and we'll meet again with some good cause. Yeah, with the good news of settling everything. Yeah, thank you, Vashish. Okay, bye bye. See you soon. Bye. Ending up the meeting. Yes. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. See you. See you all. See you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.